guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be talking about Shafiu Mumuni's move to Asante Kotoko, and also talk about Naby Keita as he explains why he hasn't played enough games in the Ghana Premier League this season, and he also talks about how the arrival of Kwame Opoku will increase competition in the striking position of Asante Kotoko. Now let's get into it. Naby Keita has revealed why he hasn't started a lot of games in the Ghana Premier League this season. Now let's hear from him.
It's not because of that. It's all about my knee. You know, I had a problem with my knee, so I was not too much fit. If the coach, even the doctors, gave me two weeks to rest. So it was all about my knee. But now I'm fit.
You're fit.
Yeah.
So you think now you are ready to fight for position?
Yeah, I'm very ready.
I've heard from him. Now we will go over to Naby Keita's thoughts on the arrival of Kwame Opoku and how he will increase the competition in the striking position at the club. Let's hear from him again.
Very, very, of course, very, very difficult. You know, if you are a striker and there are so many strikers, you have to keep on and work hard. But if you are alone or you are two strikers, you can always say that
You are going to play.
I'm the one who are going to play, so I don't have anybody around. Kwame is very, very good striker. The first time I saw him, I was very, very happy for him. Very striker. That one is good. It's true Yakuwa is gone, but Yakuwa was one of our best striker. So we have to show the supporters that we can do like him. Yes, we are here. The team is not only Keita or only Kwame. No. The team is all of us. Yeah.
Now we heard from Naby Keita. Now let's go over to Shafiu Mumuni's news. Now Shafiu Mumuni is actually interested in moving to Asante Kotoko according to reports. But the thing is that Asante Kotoko are not that interested in him because they have Naby Keita, Kwame Opoku, and William Opoku'S, and also that Shafiu Mumuni picks or is picking Asante Kotoko as his second choice because he wants to move to a foreign club, and he will join Asante Kotoko if no foreign club is interested in him. So Asante Kotoko are not that interested in him, but he is very, very interested in going to Asante Kotoko. So that's all for today. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and comment what you think about this video. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.